Hi everybody, welcome to Theory Test Tuition. Today we're going to discuss rules of the road. This section deals with the rules of the road, regulations which have been put in place to keep road users safe and manage the flow of traffic. These rules relate to speed limits, junctions, parking, pedestrian crossings and many others. In this video we'll explore some of the rules of the road questions that may come up on your theory test. Whilst driving along this road, we see this clearway sign on the right. When may you stop on a clearway? Clearways are in place so that traffic can flow without the obstruction of parked vehicles. Just one parked vehicle can cause an obstruction for all other road users. Whilst driving along this dual carriageway, we see this sign up on the right. What does it mean? The national speed limit varies by vehicle type and road, and before setting out you should ensure you know the correct speed limits on each road type for your vehicle. So, what's the national speed limit for cars and motorcyclists on a dual carriageway? It's very important that you make sure that you know the speed limit for the road that you're on. The speed limit on a dual carriageway or a motorway is 70 miles per hour for cars and motorcyclists, unless signs indicate otherwise. The speed limit for different types of vehicles are listed in the Highway Code. Another popular question that comes up on the theory test is what's the speed limit for a car towing a caravan on a dual carriageway? The speed limit for cars towing caravans or trailers on a dual carriageway or even a motorway is 60 miles per hour due to the increased weight and size of the combination. You should plan further ahead, take care in windy weather, as a strong side wind can make a caravan or large trailer unstable. Why would you use the right-hand lane on a two-lane dual carriageway? The right-hand lane on a dual carriageway should be used for overtaking or turning right. Under most circumstances, you should stay in the left lane, move back to the left after overtaking. When you are driving down a road like this, and there are no speed limit signs on the road, in England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, how is a 30 miles per hour limit generally indicated? In England, Scotland and Northern Ireland, there's a 30 mile speed limit where there are streetlights, unless signs show another limit. In Wales, streetlights indicate the limit is 20 miles per hour unless signs show otherwise. Whilst approaching these traffic lights up ahead, you can see they were approaching a box junction. When may you enter a box junction? In most scenarios, you shouldn't enter a yellow box junction if your exit isn't clear. The one exception to this is if you're waiting to turn right, but your way is blocked by oncoming traffic or vehicles turning right. You're travelling along a residential street and there are parked vehicles on the left-hand side. Why should you keep your speed down? Travel slowly and be careful near parked vehicles. Be aware of vehicles pulling out, especially bicycles, motorcycles, pedestrians, especially children who may run out from between cars. While driving through this high street, what should you do if you see a pedestrian waiting at a zebra crossing? It is likely the pedestrian wants to cross, and they therefore have right of way. You should stop for them. Top tips around the rules of the road section. The best way to pass the questions in this section is to do your best to learn and understand the rules. Key areas would be to look at yellow box junctions, cycle lanes, overtaking, reversing, parking, level crossings, pedestrian crossings, obstructions and stopping. Thank you for watching this video on Theory Test Tuition.